Hello, everybody. I'm Helen Panza, and I'm your instructor, most likely again, for Business 220, Principles of Management. You probably had me in your last class, and it's fun to be with you again. We are a small group, and that makes it a little more intimate. We're going to be exploring management topics such as leadership, planning, strategies. We're going to be talking about group and team management and upper management. How do we influence them? It's going to be a fun 8 weeks, and every week you will have learn-its to do. You'll most likely have an assignment in each and every week, so plan for it. Mark up your calendars. There's Yellow Dig, where we'll explore topics that you won't find in your book. And we will have live sessions. We will meet during weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7. I've reached out to you, and it's pretty much unanimous that we all want to meet in the evenings. And since we're such a small group, that's exactly what we're going to do. Our first live session is going to be on Tuesday, August, 20th at 6 p.m. Pacific time. That's 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 8 p.m. Central, and 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And that is during week 1 on a Tuesday. I hope to see you all there. It's going to be much more fun to be there in person than it is to make up the points. But if you really can't be there, you can make up the points by watching the recording and sending me a detailed summary via inbox. And I will consider that for your points for missing the live session. Get your grid on. It's going to be a fast 8 weeks, and you're going to be filled with lots of interesting topics and lots of fun. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on Tuesday the 20th.